Want to build serious wealth in 2025 and beyond? The financial landscape is changing faster than ever, but building wealth is still absolutely possible. No matter where you're starting from, the right strategies can make a huge difference. In this video, I'm breaking down 10 powerful ways you can start building wealth this year. Stick around until the end because I've got a bonus tip that could completely change your financial future. One of the best and most straightforward paths to building wealth is through index fund investing. What's an index fund? It's like buying a tiny piece of hundreds of different companies all at once. Instead of trying to pick individual stocks, you're investing in the entire stock market's performance. Index funds track major indexes like the S&P 500, which includes massive, stable companies. Historically, index funds have generated returns of around 7 to 10% per year. You don't need to be a financial expert to get those returns. Even if you can only invest a couple $100 a month, consistently putting that money into index funds can snowball into a significant portfolio over the years. The power of compound interest is on your side here. Compound interest is like earning interest on your interest. The sooner you begin investing, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Educating yourself about index funds is a great first step. Setting up an investment account is easier than ever with online platforms. Diversifying your investments within index funds can further reduce risk. With patience and consistency, you can achieve financial success. In 2025, relying on just one single source of income is like walking a financial tightrope. If you're serious about building wealth, you need multiple streams of income. Side hustles aren't just trendy, they're essential in today's economy. Freelancing, dropshipping, creating content online, starting your own e-commerce business. These are all ways you can generate income on your own terms. A huge percentage of millionaires, like 73%, have multiple income streams. It's not just about making more, it's about creating a safety net and diversifying your income sources. These side hustles have the potential to become significant income generators down the line. If you're serious about boosting your income, focus on developing skills that are in high demand. Fields like coding, digital marketing, AI consulting, sales, these are all areas where companies are desperate for talented people. You don't necessarily need a fancy degree to break into these fields. Consider diving into online learning platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or even YouTube. You can find incredible courses on virtually any subject, often for a fraction of the cost of traditional education. The faster you gain these valuable, in-demand skills, the faster you can start commanding higher rates for your work. Investing in yourself and your skill set is one of the smartest financial moves you can make. Real estate has been a proven wealth-building tool for as long as I can remember. From the bustling urban centers to the serene suburban neighborhoods, the opportunities are vast and varied. It's created countless millionaires, and for good reason. The stability and potential for appreciation make it an attractive option for many. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, real estate offers incredible potential for both passive income and long-term growth. The market is always evolving, presenting new opportunities and challenges. House hacking, where you buy a property and rent out rooms to help cover your mortgage, is a fantastic way to get your foot in the door. This strategy not only reduces your living expenses but also builds equity over time. Investing in rental properties or even listing properties on Airbnb can create consistent cash flow. These income streams can provide financial stability and the freedom to pursue other ventures. Real estate crowdfunding platforms have made it more accessible than ever to invest in real estate with smaller amounts of money. This democratization of investment allows more people to benefit from the real estate market. The beauty of real estate is that it tends to appreciate in value over time. This appreciation can significantly boost your net worth. So, not only are you potentially earning rental income, but your investment itself is growing. This dual benefit makes real estate a compelling choice for wealth building. Real estate is a powerful tool for building wealth. With the right strategies and a bit of patience, you can turn bricks and mortar into a solid financial foundation for your future. We're living in a time where technology, especially AI, is revolutionizing the way we do business. Smart entrepreneurs are using tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and other automation software to build and run businesses with less effort. You could use AI to help you create YouTube videos, manage an e-commerce store, or even run an AI-powered blog. These are just a few examples of how technology can help you create passive income streams. The key is to embrace automation, streamline your work, and offload repetitive tasks. AI and automation are powerful tools that can help you multiply your income without working yourself to the bone. Building wealth isn't just about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. You could be making great money, but if you're spending it all on things you don't need, you're not going to get ahead financially. The wealthiest people are masters of smart spending. They track their expenses meticulously and cut out unnecessary costs. There are apps like YNAB, Mint, and Rocket Money that can help you track your spending, create a realistic budget, and identify areas where you might be overspending. Even small changes can add up huge over time. Cutting out a $10 daily impulse purchase might not seem like much, but that's $3,650 back in your pocket every year. Online businesses are booming. In 2025, the internet is the place to be if you're looking to create a business with low overhead costs, incredible scalability, and the potential to generate passive income. The beauty of an online business is that it can be run from anywhere with an internet connection. You could be selling products through a Shopify store, sharing your knowledge through ebooks and online courses, or building a community around your passions. The internet has leveled the playing field, making it possible for anyone to launch a successful business. Once you've put in the work to build your online presence and establish a loyal customer base, your business can start generating passive income. The global reach of the internet means your business can scale at a pace that traditional brick-and-mortar businesses could only dream of. Wealthy people aren't just good at making money, they're experts at keeping it too. A big part of that is understanding and using tax strategies to their advantage. The tax code is full of perfectly legal ways to reduce your tax burden. Business owners can write off legitimate business expenses. Investors can use retirement accounts like Roth IRAs and 401(k)s to defer taxes, and real estate investors can take advantage of tax breaks like depreciation. Learn how taxes work and proactively seek out ways to minimize what you owe. One effective strategy is tax loss harvesting, where you sell investments that have gone down in value to offset taxes on your winning investments. Consult with a qualified tax advisor to make sure you're taking advantage of all the strategies that make sense for your unique situation. Your education shouldn't stop after you graduate. The most successful people are committed to lifelong learning. They're constantly seeking out new knowledge, whether it's through reading personal finance books, taking online courses, attending workshops, or having conversations with people they admire. Knowledge is power, and the more you invest in yourself, the greater your wealth-building potential becomes. The wealthiest people in the world didn't get there by accident. They're constantly learning, growing, and adapting to the changing world around them. Make education a non-negotiable part of your life. Every bit of knowledge you gain adds to your value and earning potential. If there's one piece of financial advice I could give to everyone, it's this: start investing as early as you possibly can. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow and work for you. Time is your greatest asset when it comes to building wealth, and the sooner you start putting your money to work, the more time it has to grow exponentially thanks to the magic of compound interest. Compound interest is like a snowball effect. The longer it rolls, the bigger it gets. Even if you can only invest a small amount each month, consistency is key. Regular small investments can add up significantly over time. Let's say you invest just $200 a month with an average annual return of 10%. It might not seem like much at first, but the power of compounding can turn it into a substantial sum. Over 30 years, that could grow to over $500,000. Imagine the financial freedom and security that could bring. The biggest mistake you can make is waiting for the perfect time to start investing. Perfection is an illusion, and waiting can cost you valuable time. Life is unpredictable, and there will always be reasons to put it off. Whether it's market volatility, personal expenses, or just uncertainty, there's always something. The best time to start was yesterday. Every day you delay is a missed opportunity for your money to grow. The second best time is right now. Don't overthink it. The sooner you start, the better off you'll be in the long run. Just start, even if it's with a small amount, and commit to making consistent contributions over time. Your future self will thank you for the decisions you make today. So there you have it. 10 powerful ways you can start building wealth in 2025 and beyond. Which of these strategies are you most excited to implement? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more financial tips and tricks, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.